Hey everybody, this is Dave Cooper and we're at British Offsite, new fully automated manufacturing facility. And staying with me is Ola. Ola is the COO of Randek. Ola, thanks for talking to me today.
Thanks for having us, Dave.
So we just did a walkthrough of your zero labor line that is behind us, and the lines are humming. British Offsite's putting out a ton of product using this new line. This is only a year old. Walk us through a little bit about what we're seeing in the factory from your perspective and how the process has gone installing this, because this is a big line.
It's a big line. Yeah, it's great to be here, seeing the fruition of all the hard work that's been put into this line from British Offsite and from Randek. And it's been a good cooperation from the start. I think there's many things that's been done correctly in this process. British Offsite was early in involving us in the process. It was a really good project with the communication between the companies, finding things that we can improve on both ends and optimizing the lines to suit their production to the most optimum way, really.
Tell me a little bit about what a zero labor line really is.
Well, as a labor line, the basic cell comes in different configuration, but in this case we have, for the sheeting stations, we have three robot cells that do sheeting, routing, retrieval of material for cutouts and so on. And we have a robotic cell for installation, fully automatic installation. That added up together with the framing station and the storage and all the, turning, flipping, moving. So it's, as you said, it's a big line.
It is a big line, and I've traveled all over the world. I've been in a lot of different factories, some with automation, some fully automated. I think the biggest thing people really have to understand, and you said it earlier, was it's that collaboration, the communication, and it's an ongoing process. So if somebody wanted to do this, what's the planning like? And then walk me through after it's installed, what's it like?
Yeah, I would say that reach out early to automation manufacturer, to Randek, start going through designs, your need. Is it a new factory, greenfield, or trying to adapt our equipment to fit in your existing factory? That's the big first steps. Then working together, trying to optimize, not design as such, but we as a machine manufacturer can give feedback on how to optimize production, like DFMA, design for manufacturing, in the sense of that you can design the walls however you want to specification, but we can give small hints and tips that will actually make your output much higher and maybe save material.
Well, and I think that's it. And I've walked this line and it is humming. They're putting thousands of units out the door, right? A year right now. When I say units, housing, you don't see that in many automation lines that I've been in around the world. Most of them are struggling. Why is this one going the way it should be going?
Well, I think it's a good effort from, as I said, British Offsite, and the zero labor system is designed for ease of use, of course. So we always try to, it's designed to be easy to use, and it's designed to have the maximum uptime from any systems. You can reload it while it's running and so forth. There's a lot of experience in the system. I mean, we've been delivering the system since 2016, so it's nothing new for us, but it keeps evolving, still being able to retrofit the changes to the guys or the companies who bought it earlier. So,
how does the information get from their entire design team, right, and the design with the customer and the DFMA or the data that needs to go to the machines out there?
Well, Randek works with all CAD vendors, really. They all know what we require to run our machines. So in British Offsite case, they do their designs and then they simply upload the working orders to the line, and they can choose and do it on a level, an office level or on a machine level, on which production queue you want and so on. So if you have several lines, our HMI will also give you the option to where you want to push different materials and how you want to sort things and to optimize production. So it could be factories with one line or several lines,
Sure. Randek's a family-owned business, right? It was started by a family, and I think the kids are involved now, right? And you've been with Randek for how long?
Since 2013.
2013.
I came in, and 2016 was the company I worked for. I joined in 2013 as a head of the project management team. And in 2016, we developed the zero labor concept. Randek bought us, and since then we've been a part of the family, and it's just great. Fantastic company, fantastic owners. So really good team and a nice place to work. really.
Well, I mean, that's half it, right? Culture is everything. Just like here in British Offsite, every factory that I have been in that is producing high volumes has an amazing culture. And this factory has an amazing culture. It's a newer factory. It's absolutely state of the art. It's beautiful. And it's a true honor to finally be in a fully automated factory. And there's just a couple others that I've been in that are doing pretty well. But this thing is running smoother than most that I've ever been in. So congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and again, thanks for British Offsite letting us come up here and talk.
Yeah, it's a glorious opportunity to finally come here and see it running, and together with you, Dave, it's been a fantastic day we had.
It has been a fantastic day. So listen, if you're looking to do automation, and this isn't a sales pitch, this is reality. Randek's machines, the zero labor line, this is the first time I've seen it. It's actually up and running. It's being done with British Offsite. Sean, Weston, Paul, Grant, everybody that's been showing us around that are making this happen are thinking at an entirely different level, and I'm super excited to be able to bring this to all of them out there. And also, it's just a pleasure that you happen to be here too.
Yeah, thank you.
There you go, everybody. So hey, listen, if you're looking for automation, look at Randek. If you're a developer and you're looking to build, you better be calling British Offsite, because they're going to save you a whole lot of time, a whole lot of energy, and they're going to show you a better way of doing what you've been doing wrong, in my opinion, for the last 100 years. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.